Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunita. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a rose milk cake. You can make this for your birthday party too. So I'm going to make a sheet cake, top it with some whipping cream and also make rose milk to go along with it. It's a very delicious recipe. Come on, let's get started. So today I'm going to bake my cake using this Tesora air oven inspired by you. Most of my friends have been using this, so I was so much excited to use this product, and I have been using this product for the past 3 to 4 weeks and I'm totally satisfied with this. You'll definitely be surprised by knowing all its features. The first feature that really attracted me the most is that this equipment can perform the activities of 5 other equipments that we use in our kitchen, like oven, microwave, toaster, air fryer and also barbecue. So this means like most of our Indian kitchen are compact. So this can save space, this saves our time and also the cost that we spend in each and every equipment. So before I talk about the other features of this product, I'll just show you how to make the cake batter for this recipe. First, to a bowl, I'm going to add half cup of curd. I'm making eggless version today. If you can use eggs, you can replace this curd with 2 eggs. To this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of oil. Do not use flavored oil, just use the refined one. So I'm just going to blend both the ingredients well. And now this is ready. Let's sift all the dry ingredients. So I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sift all these and add it to the wet ingredient. Mix all these well. To this I'm going to add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. And now I'm going to add half a cup of milk. Add milk little at a time and then combine them well. And now this is almost done. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rose milk mix. Mix it well. And now our cake batter is ready. I have lined my 7-inch baking pan with a parchment paper. So I'm just going to gently pour this cake batter. I have just tapped it for 2 to 3 times to remove the excess air bubbles. And now our batter is ready. I'm going to place it inside the oven. And before I place this inside the oven, let me also share about the other features that comes along with this oven. So when we buy this product, we also get few accessories that comes along with this product for free of cost, like drip tray, rotisserie fork, wire rack, mesh basket, toasting rack and a pair of tongs. The capacity of this oven is 14.5 liters, which is more than sufficient for an Indian family or a small family who needs multiple rounds of servings. And I love the fact that this is India's only air oven with full digital and sleek design, which makes it more stylish and also looks sleek. As I informed you earlier, this oven can perform multiple functions like air fry, bake, grill, toast, dehydrate. And I also noticed that the food is being evenly cooked because of its dual heating technology. This has also 16 preset menus, so I'm very sure that we'll all love this because it will be very useful in our daily life. We can also decide if we want to heat upper side or lower side with bottom heating and top heating buttons. This product comes with 1 year warranty, and after I received this product, I called the customer care service and they were so helpful, and I was also very happy that a representative came home, showed me the demo in person so that it was very easy for me to learn and also to use this product. And I really love the fact that Tesora is providing the best in class after sales service. I'm going to place this inside my preheated oven for 20 minutes. And now this is baked perfectly. I'm going to take it out of the oven. I have transferred my cake to a wire rack. Let it cool down completely. It's completely cooled down now. I'm just going to trim the top layer just to make it even. To make rose milk, I have taken 2 cups of chilled milk. To this, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of rose essence. Mix it well. I'm just going to pour some rose milk over this. You can also replace this with the regular sugar syrup just to make it soft. I'm going to fill my piping bag with some whipped cream. I'm going to garnish this with some rose petals and pistachios. Now let's serve this. Serve this with rose milk. And now it's time to taste. So soft. Just imagine how moist it would be. It's too good, definitely give this a try. It's so moist and juicy. Our yummy cake is now ready, and you saw how easy it was to make this recipe, right? It's a very delicious recipe. Definitely give this a try. And as I informed earlier, this product can help us with multiple functionalities in our kitchen. So you can also dehydrate your fruits, vegetables. You can also make rotisserie chicken, the whole grilled chicken that all of us will enjoy eating. You can also bake cakes, cookies, and also roast any vegetables of your choice. And this product can also be used as an air fryer. So if you're a health conscious person and if you do not want to eat any deep fried food, definitely invest in this product. You can still eat crispy fried foods using this product. Hope you'll all give this recipe a try. Do try this recipe and definitely share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. I'll give the link of this product in the description box below. If you're a passionate baker or if you're a person who loves to cook different recipes for your family, you can definitely buy this product. I'm completely satisfied with this. And the price of this product is around 13,500. So you can check all the details which I have mentioned in the description box. If you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.